Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Mama Sagri Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin na nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of July 17 hanggang July 23 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ng ating mga kagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig, nag-uumapaw, na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Capricorn. So let's watch this. Angel spirit guides, please give me an information. Ano kayang gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? Angel spirit, please give me information po. So this is something, the Sun card. Wow, this is something of your positive outcome. Magiging maganda ng kalalabasan ng eksena nito. Ngayon linggo nito ay magiging maaring panalo ka. Maaring manalo ka sa eksena or manalo ka sa kung ano man yan. Or may mga bagay dito na maaring magdala sa'yo ng success. And of course, this is something a high priestess. So there's something unexpected moment. Now, there's something intuition. Now, kung sabihin dito, makinig ka sa gut feeling mo, makinig ka sa intuition mo, sa predictions mo, dahil may mga bagay dito na hindi mo inaadyang ipagkakaloob sa'yo ng ating may kapal. So, let's see. And of course, there's an information with the Four of Wands by celebration, homecoming, family gatherings, and there's an events, guys. Now, talaga, there's something, a success coming in for you, and there's a Four of Wands represent the twin flame energy, a soulmate connection. So, let's see what is additional messages. Now, there's a Three of Wands for waiting for a ship or waiting for a soul. May mga bagay na hinihintay ka. There's a possible na dumating na. There's a information na maaring ikasal ka na. There's something on the higher level commitment. And there's something, a Three of Pentacles with the collaborations, no, connections. Maaring talaga meron ditong, there's something, a collaboration with your husband and wife, or either magkakaroon talaga kayo ng something, gatherings, no? This is something, a wedding. So let's see additional messages or binyag, no? There is an information with the Hangman, no? There's something the Hangman reverse that represent dito with something new perspective, no? Baguhin mo na yung mindset mo, baguhin mo na yung pananaw mo, baguhin mo yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. It's not worth it at all. So let's see what is the Sun card. Represent the Six of Pentacles. So this is something giver receiving something by the universe. Now, ipagkakalob sa iyo ng ating universe lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na what you deserve. At sinasabi sa iyo dito with the Six of Pentacles, so there's something, a financial windfall. Now, maaaring uulanin at lalakas ang iyong finances. So let's see what is the High Priestess. The High Priestess represent the Five of Wands, so something, a complication, or either, competitors, no? Kalaban, no? May mga bagay dito na sinasabi na hindi mo ina-expect ng tao na to ay may lihim na galit at inggit sa'yo. No? Ito yung sinasabing kompetensya, no? So, let's see what is the Four of Wands. Four of Wands is something, a King of Cups, may devoted for the person. Ito nga yun, di ba? Maaring mahal na mahal ka ng person mo, o maaring makatagpo ka ng taong magmamahal sa'yo hanggang dulo. So, let's see what is the Three of Wands. Represent the Four of Swords for intuitions. No? Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. There's something rest. So, kailangan mo magpahinga, maghintay, no? Nag-overfatigue ka dahil din sa pagiging paranoid mo, no? Na pag-overthink mo na ang tagal-tagal dumating, bakit ganito, wala pa, ganito, ganyan. Maghintay ka. This is something, a perfect timing for you, no? The Three of Pentacles represent what? This is something, Eight of Wands for fast communication and fast movement. So there's something, a travel, messages, an email, phone calls. So there's something, a travel, guys, no? Maaaring itong bagay na to ay magbibigay sa'yo ng pagbabago, no? Maaaring itong bagay na to ay makakatanggap ka ng tawag, no? Message, no? And of course, there's something, information na maaaring magkaroon socialize, no, with something collaborations. There is an information with the Hangman, represent the Queen of Cups by healing, no. Kumaga, kailangan mo nang alisin yung mga negatibo sa iyong kaisipan, no. There's something negative thoughts, na yun yung kailangan mabaguhin, yung perspective, mindsets, no, at lahat ng mga bagay na gumugulo sa iyong isipan. So let's see what is the Sun card, and of course the Six of Pentacles represent what? Represent the Seven of Wands, that you are being protected, no? At sinasabi dito na protektado ka ng ating gabay, na kumbaga magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances for you. Then of course, ipagkakalob sa iyo ng langit na yung mga bagay na gusto mong makuha, no? So let's see what is the High Priestess and the Five of Wands. Represent the Three of Swords in reverse. So there's a recovery from the pain. Now there's something insecure, not other side. So there's an information na maaaring may mga tao sa paligid mo na lihim na may inggit sa'yo, lihim na hinihila ka pababa, and of course there's a possible na makaka-recover ka sa mga tao na yan. Pilit ka man nilang hinihila, pilit kang inaangat ng ating Panginoon. So let's see what is the Four of Wands, and of course the King of Cups. So represent the Five of Pentacles. So there's something financial crisis, no? Nakakaranas ka ng financial crisis ngayon, or kumbaga sunod-sunod na problema, no? Maaring kumbaga dahil yan din sa in your relationship, na maaring kumbaga nagdaan kayo sa kagastusan. So let's see what is the Three of Wands, and of course the Four of Swords. So this is something, a death card from the ending and a new beginning. So may mga bagay na kailangan nyo tapusin, no? Kailangan nyo na magsimula ng panibagong eksena, no? This is something, a death card for a new beginning and an ending. And there's a transformation, no? Ang pagbabago, ang pagbangon mula sa pagkalugmok. So let's see what is the Three of Pentacles, and the Eight of Wands represent the lover. So meron talagang something higher level commitment dito, na magkakaroon talaga ng kasalan, no? Maaaring may kakasal dito, o maaaring magkaroon kayo ng live-in partner. So let's see what is the Hangman and the Queen of Cups. Represent the Four of Pentacles with the protector power, protector energy, saving money, guys, no? Kumbaga baguhin mo ng pananaw mo kumbaga pagdating sa finances mo, baka nagiging magastos ka, sunod-sunod ang paggastos mo, no? Kailangan mag-isip ka ng mga bagay na alam mong papalaparin ang iyong resource of income, na kung paano papalawigin, papalakihin, at pagyayabungin. Additional outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome for you is the Queen of Pentacles with a good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur, business, negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay, no? This is something at our moment for a major changes. Itong bagay na to ay malaking pagbabago na magaganap, na maaaring pagkawindang mo, na maaaring itong bagay na to ang magpapabago sa kaisipan mo, itong bagay na to ang magpapabago sa pananaw at pangyayari sa kasalukuyan mo. So let's see additional messages about sa career. About sa career, there's something, a Seven of Pentacles with something opportunity. Na maraming oportunidad na papasok dito. There's something, a Six of Swords with the transition, no? Makakaalis ka na sa situation. May mga bagay dito na unti-unti ka na makakausad, na pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. At sinasabi dito, there's an Eight of Cups for moving on. Kailangan mo umalis dyan sa trabaho mo, no? Lumipat ng panibago, or either kailangan mo maghanap ng panibagong trabaho, or baguhin mo ang negosyong kinagagalaw mo, o baguhin mo yung pwesto mo, no? May mabigat dyan. There's something, a Page of Pentacles with investment. Kahit anong invest mo dyan, babagsak yan, kasi mabigat ang kinatatayuan ng negosyo mo, so, or bahay nyo. So let's see additional messages about naman tayo sa love life. About sa love life, there is a Seven of Pentacles for a harvest time. So may mga bagay dito na matagal ka rin, marami ka na rin pinagdaan pagdating sa love life mo, marami ka na rin minintay, no? There is something, harvest time, na maaaring siya na talaga yung para sa'yo. There is a Two of Pentacles na magiging balanse ka na this time, na magiging balanse ka na dito sa tao na to. Additional messages about sa health. So this is something, a Page of Swords, na spying, looking, watching at you. Maaring, kumbaga kailangan na marami kang alamin, tuklasin para sa sarili mo. No, may mga bagay o tao sa paligid mo na sumusubaybay sa iyo, na kung ano yung kalagayan mo na ngayon. No, there's something, an effort that you are being mature enough. Pagdating sa mga kinakain, no, ginagawa mo. Maging mautak at maging matalino ka na this time. Kasi may mga times dyan na may mga bawal na iniinom mo, kinakain mo. No? So let's see what is this card is a money move oracle deck for career and of course money opportunities reading. So let's see. So there's a moving up, no? There's a something career is on the rise, new offer and opportunity, salary increase, go to the next level, no? Kumbaga bigla ang pagbangon, no? Or mukhang kumbaga magkakaroon ng more branches ang iyong negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay. No, maaring magkaroon ka ng promotions, no? If you are working, no? If you are on a business ideas or a business line, maaring dumami ang yung resource of income, no? There's something a loyalty, no? There's something be loyal with your friends, no? Maging totoo ka sa mga kaibigan mo at yung mga tao sa paligid mo. May mga tao hindi man totoo sa iyo pero maging totoo ka sa kanila, no? Kasi kumbaga diyan nila makikita kung ano yung worth mo, no? Additional messages. And there's something in the helping hand, no? Kumbaga marami ka natutulungan tao, no? May swerte ka sa iyong palad na maaring magaling ka sa business ideas, no? There's a creativity. So let's see additional messages tayo with the romance angels for mystic love oracle deck for love life. Anong chika sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? Let's see. And there's something, there's a party, guys. There's having fun, no? And kumaga, nandun ka sa part na nag-enjoy ka pagdating sa love life mo. And there's something, unfinished business, no? Meron ditong, kumbaga, hindi natapos na relasyon na maaring iniwan ka sa ere, no? And there's something, anxiety, worry, no? Kumbaga, nag-iisip ka, nai-stress ka. No, kumbaga baka dinadaan mo sa party, sa mga event, no, kung saan ka pumupunta para lang makapag-isip, no? There's something information about sa love life mo na maaring may taong hinihintay kang bumalik or may mga taong hinihintay mong bumalik. So let's see what is the synchronicities. For synchronicities, so let's see, there's something imagination. Gamitin mo yung imagination. Makapag-create ka ng mga bagong ideas, no? And there's something wildness, no? Kapag magiging mabagsik ka this time, so parang hindi ka na basta-basta, no? Kumbaga magiging mabangis at magaling, no? Maaring magiging aggressive ka this time. There's something attractions that you are being attracted to everyone, no? Maaring malakas ang charisma mo, malakas ang atake mo, no? May mga taong magkakagusto sa'yo pero parang lalaruin mo lang sila, no? Parang ganun parang may mga taong magugustuhan ka at may mga taong hindi mo pa gusto, parang hinihintay mo may bumalik, no? Ganon. So let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. And there is an actions and new beginning. So magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula. Kailangan mo lang daw kumilos at gumalaw. Now there's something union. See, may pagbabalikan talaga. May babalik talaga from the past. And of course, there's something cycle and change na unti-unti na mababago at unti-unti na magaganap ang pagbabago. So let's see what is additional messages for magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages, represent what? Represent a perfect timing. So this is a perfect timing for you, no? To moving forward, no? And there's a dietary change na kailangan mo mag-diet. Now, love yourself. Na mahalin mo yung sarili mo ngayon. Kailangan mo tutukan yung sarili mo ngayon. So, let's see what is additional messages for Angel's answer. For the Angel's answer, represent what? There's a no. No, marunong ka humindi. No, marunong ka tumanggi. And of course, there's something, this situation will improve. No, ang sitwasyon mo ay unti-unti na magbabago, unti-unti nang maiiba. No? And there's something no need to worry. Hindi mo kailangan mangamba. Basta tutukan mo yung sarili mo, mag-focus ka sa kung anong ginagawa mo. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. And there's the person that you're asking is about trustworthy. Yung taong pinagkakatiwala, ay yung taong kinakausap mo, at taong nakakausap mo, ay mapagkakatiwalaan mo. And there's a pay attention to your dreams, no? Lagi mong pakikinggan ang iyong mga mensahe sa panaginip, no? Maaring may mga bagay dyan na mangyayari or magaganap, or may mga pangarap ka na maaring tutukan mo. So let's see what is the energy. There's an adjusted possibilities, no? May mga pintuang magsasarang opportunities for you. May mga opportunity magbubukas ng panibagong eksena sa'yo. And there's a guardian and the gate with the discoveries. Marami kang madidiscover. And there's a yin and yang with an oracle card na nagdadala sa'yo ng balance. Pagdating sa romance angels, guys, let's see. And there's a retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world, no? Kailangan mo na unwind. And love yourself first. I told you. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo ngayon. There's a trust. Magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra messages, represent a trickery, no? There's a manloloko, mapanlin lang, mag-ingat ka. And there's a discovery. Marami ka pang madidiscover, marami ka pang malalaman. And there's a vanity. Iwasan mo yung mga bisyo, mga walang kabuluhang bagay. Tutukan mo yung sarili mo. Parang this is something you pay attention na, kumbaga, yung kanina sinasabi na kailangan tutukan mo yung mga pangarap mo, yung mas magandang kahihinatnan sa eksena mo, wag mong iligaw yung sarili mo sa mga panandaliang saya lang, no? Katulad ng mga parties, no? Yung mga birthday na puntahan ng ganyan-ganyan. Tutukan mo yung sarili mo kung paano ka mag-grow and mahalin mo yung sarili mo, no? And there's something workaholic, no? Kailangan mo kumbaga sa pagdating sa business, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, na maaaring kumbaga nakatuto ka talaga. So let's see what is the Monsology. And that's time to give rather than take. Mas maganda ikaw yung nagbibigay ng panahon at oras kaysa ikaw yung humihingi. And nothing is set in stone, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. And there's something I believe the impossible, no? Maniwala ka sa mga imposible ay posible. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. With an angel spirit, represent what? So, there is a taking action. So, you need to take an action from this, no? Kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw, gawin yung mga bagay-bagay na alam mong kung paano matatapos yung problema pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. And there's something, a winning mood with the self-inventory. See, mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. And of course, there's something on boundaries. Na mag-set ka ng boundaries sa'yo para at least, diba, hindi ka napapahamak at hindi ka napag-iiwanan ng eksena. And there's a divinity. No, there's something enlightenment. No, may, kumbaga, maliliwanagan ka sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Messages for you. And there's a meditations, no? Kailangan mo mag-meditate, no? Para masagot lahat ng mga katanungan mo sa sarili mo. At ibitaw mo sa ating Panginoon lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdadaanan mo at mga bigat na pinapasan mo. There's a relationship, no? Talagang there's a problem about sa relationship. At may mga pinagdadaanan ka talaga pagdating sa relasyon. There's a change position. Kailangan mo magpapalit ng manggagamot, albularyo, or either yung doktor, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo mag-second opinion or second options. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. So, there's a change, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na unti-unti na mababago at may mga bagay na matatapos na at magkakaroon ng bagong simula with the transformation. So, let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And of course, there is something school, no? There is something, the answer that you're seeking involves going to school, or may mga bagay na matututunan ka, o may mga bagay na masasagot na lahat ng mga katanungan mo. And there is something music, no? Enhance your self, no? Parang sinasabi dito, mas kailangan mo makinig sa mga musics, no? Para magkaroon ka ng healing process for your mental, no? And spiritual. There's a let go, no? Pakawalan mo, bitawan mo. Huwag mong bitbitin. Bagkos pakawalan mo, surrender mo sa ating universe, sa ating Panginoon, no? So, let's see what is additional message with an angel spirit. And there's a double missions, no? Kumbaga, magiging It's either magiging manggagamot ka or magiging maliwanag to sa ito, or kumbaga magiging manggagamot ka o kailangan mo magpagamot. No? Ayun lang yung dalawang ibig sabihin dito with the double mission. So let's see what is additional messages with the Jesus loving quotes. Your faith has saved you going first, no? Yung pananampalataya mo ay yan yung makakaligtas sa iyo para sa kapayapaan or sa kalayaan or sa kaliwanagan sa kaisipan na lahat ng mga bagay na yan ay maaaring matamo mo, no? Basta naniniwala at nananampalataya ka. For angels number represent what? Tingnan natin yan with 5554. Clarity. See? Liliwanagin lahat ng mga bagay-bagay na yun para sa'yo. You aren't victim of circumstances, rather you are the beneficiary of it. If where the cases in life would pretty dull, you will set yourself up for the success in the long run. If you are willing to adapt to this ship, everything is working out of the best. At long last, you are accomplishing what you set out to do. Everything will work out in the perfect at the end. So see, kumbaga maliliwanagan ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo, huwag ka mag-alala. This is something spiritual awakening. Oh my God! So this is something may kinalaman about sa spiritual mo. So may mga bagay na pinagdadaanan mo, inilalagay ka na sa tama mo direksyon. No? A new phase is a religious of a spiritual guest. You are going to spiritual awakening, which can feel like in the dark night of the soul, you are on the path of the enlightenment at these two shall pass. So see, magkakaroon ka ng bago simula at magdini-develop lang yung kakayanan at kaalaman mo sa mga bagay na naranasan mo. So let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life represent openness, no? Kumbaga, magbubukas lahat ng mga bagay at i-offer sa'yo. Now, I know that when one door closes and another opens, today I trust the universe, I trust myself, I trust life. No matter what has gone before, I have faith that something better is on this way. My willingness to release the past prepares me to accept the many opportunities God opens before me. So guys, diba, binibigay talaga at kumaga, binibigay at pinagkakalob sa yung mga bagay na what you deserve. May mga bagay lang dito na tatapusin ng ating Panginoon sa mga bagay na alam niya hindi magsiserve sa iyo. May mga bagay na mawawala at aalisin sa buhay mo. Yan yung mga bagay na alam niyang makakasama sa iyo at hindi makakabuti sa pangmatagalang buhay na tatahakin mo. So guys, this is something a weekly gabay for the month of July 17 hanggang July 23 for the sign of Capricorn. So Coffee, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasa Capricorn. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sa pagsuporte sa akin channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na dumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!